Choma. But I love it when you call me charming sweet because I am such a beautiful damsel. So guys, I'm back again like I never left. Of course, you guys that I can never leave you guys behind that. So guys, today we are having a food mukbang. Yeah, a food mukbang. Why are you sitting like a status? It's actually fufu and ora soup. Yeah, you guys, no meat in your soup. Okay, do you know I will give you from my own, yeah? So guys, in this food mukbang, I want you guys to come eat with us, okay? Come and eat with us. Hey, but before we start eating, I think to buy drink will be better. What do you think? We should buy drinks, yeah? Yes. Why are you doing like this? I go and buy drink. Hey, go and buy drink. Buy Pepsi. Change Pepsi is okay. Buy Pepsi or rubber. Go and buy it. I'm waiting for you. Do quick. Yeah? The plan is not even for her to go and buy Pepsi or rubber, but the truth about all these things is that I actually want to prank her, and that prank is going to be, this is her own food. I refuse to put meat inside her own because I know that this soup is going to be a total waste. So what is going to happen is that I'm going to put enough pepper, like I've already blended the pepper. I want to pour that pepper inside this food, and I will add salt. Then I will not be like, oh yeah, let's start eating. I just want to see her reaction and see how, if actually she's going to tell me that it's peppery or she's going to tell me that it's salty. I just want to see if actually she's going to speak out or she'll just pretend that we're eating. Guys, let's get started. So guys, this is the pepper. I blended pepper. This is the blended pepper. And this is salt. She's coming. No, we'll have to do this thing very, very fast. Do quick now, there is no time. I'm okay still there. Okay, make I even check whether the thing will record. So guys, she's back. Shala is back. It's time for us to start eating our delicious meal. Yeah. Let me bring up here to open our drink. How much do you buy this one? Oh, it's 150. Hey, I pray for us. Pray. Pray anyhow you want to pray. Just pray. Amen. Sharp. Amen. Be speaking out, oh yeah. We are going to eat this delicious meal before our fans, our subscribers. What next? Okay, yeah, let's just eat. So guys, we are about starting our meal, and I want you guys to come and join us. Hey, I didn't even introduce her. Oh yeah, tell them your name now. Be lively, Joe.
My name is Chinaza.
Speak well. Oh yeah, what's your name?
My name is Chinaza.
And you're happy to be on your auntie's table, yeah? For this food mukbang?
Yes.
Yeah, let's get it started. It's sweet, ba? Very, very delicious. Do you like it?
Yes.
Guys, come and join us. So, this food is very delicious. I wish you guys would have a taste of it. How is it? Guys, come and join us and eat this sweet, delicious meal. Take on the very sweet. Do you like it?
Yes.
I'll put another soup for you. Do you want to eat it like that?
Yes.
Why not? I tell them how the food tastes.
The food tastes so delicious.
Hey! Egbe! Are you sure it's very delicious?
Yeah.
It's a lie.
Yes.
Guys, she said my food is very delicious. You like it very well. She's only 50 now, and it's 150. I can't buy one more drink.
Like this one.
I don't think so. My 7 up. I have to give you 7 up too. Small ones.
Okay.
The more I will give her change. Guys, this girl, I said this thing. It's like I had not put enough salt. The salt I put, it's not touching her brain, so I have to add another one. She must talk. She have to talk. I know she's pretending. She's actually trying to pretend. So don't worry. We will get her talk by fire by force. You didn't buy the 7 up, did you? So guys, we are back again. This is our food Mukbang. That'll be here. The food there. Very sweet. Guys, come and join us. What happened?
Salt.
Which salt?
Salt is plenty.
There's no salt. You're telling me salt is which salt is plenty? Shebi, I asked you that and you said there is no salt inside.
I'm not eating.
Why are you not eating again? I mean, I job or eat job. But I asked when I was cooking it, I asked if the salt is too much. You said no.
Let me taste it.
You want to do it?
I want to taste it.
I want to test my own.
Yes.
It's not the same soup.
No, this one is salt.
It's not salty now.
I know it's again. I know it's again.
It's the same thing, honestly. Very sweet. Shebi, you told them that it's very sweet. Okay, what did you say in the beginning? When I asked you the food is, what did you say?
It's sweet.
So why are you not changing mouth? Continue now. Apple na toto. What happened?
No, it's...
You don't eat again.
No, I don't eat again.
Guys, remember when I asked her about this meal when we started, she said the food is very delicious. Now I don't know why she's changing her mouth. It's very delicious. Eat food, John. You don't want to eat. Now I just pity you, Sha. Let me go and give you another one. If you're alive, is it your life? You think you can pretend forever? You cannot pretend forever. That is just the truth. I asked you, you said the food is good. Maybe the salt is not that salty for your brain to know that there is salt inside. Abi? Now I just pity you. Guys, let's pity her, okay? I'll take your food. I just want to pity you. Yeah, take. So guys, come and join and eat this delicious meal. And it's very sweet though. Shala is actually a slow eater. She's a very, very slow eater. Help you. You are doing that. Clean the meat before you drink it. Yeah. This is our pattern of fufu and cook. It's somehow wrong. But true to the food is sweet.
Yes.
It's very sweet. Eat now. Why are you shy? You are shy on camera.
I'm not shy.
Are you shy now? Cartoon boy. Yeah, come. What happened? Are you sure that is not finished? She what? Can you come out from there? So guys, I'm tired. I'm tired of eating. Don't mind China, she's a very slow eater. This cook and fufu, I never see where they I've not seen where they are doing fufu and coke before. It's somehow. It's very, very somehow. Coke and fufu. Have you done it before?
No.
But you are doing it today.
Yes.
I'm tired. Can you finish the two?
No.
Why can't you finish it?
What is it?
Because I will not lie, I'm done. I'm tired. I can't finish this food. It's too much. If it's eba, if it's garri, I can finish it. But fufu, come on. Finish it. Right. I'll see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe and don't forget to give this a very big thumbs up. I'm done. I'm tired. Bye bye.